welcome back for another lip gloss video. You can find all of the butters, oils, and waxes listed below in the description box. This gloss goes by the name of Miss Pinky, and it's my favorite as far as the pink glosses. Starting off with titanium dioxide will make a difference with your color actually showing up. Gets the job done as far as making sure everything is evenly mixed. Versagel is going to help thicken the mixture up. Right now it's kind of watery, and that's not the finished look that I like to go for. Too much oil and not enough Versagel, the Versagel will begin to separate from the oils. Trust me, I've been there, done that. I'm trying to save you the time, because once you fill it up in the tubes and you're like, oh, my gloss is all pretty in this tube, a few days later, you're going to have oil at the top and Versagel with the pigment at the bottom. My lip gloss brand around having a cream texture instead of a sticky texture. mixing the powder pigment into the base. That you need to poke in each corner to make sure gloss gets in there so you don't have those open spaces. If you are one that is struggling with getting your gloss down in those corners, it's going to be because your pipette is too big. So if you are using a 3 milliliter or larger, you need to go down to a 2 milliliter or smaller, and then you can get in the corners. To go back in and check each tube to make sure it's not too much gloss in there, because if you have too much, it's going to run into the rubber stopper. And when you're selling gloss, you want your customers to know that that gloss has not been used.